Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. It's a nice body dolly you got there.
That's not really a body dolly. It's a slap tool for like flattening out long panels.
For slapping that ass.
Yeah.
A little bit of a saggy motion there.
And then reclamp.
Perfect.
Like Johnny said, we needed to lay that 1.5-inch tube across there and shore it up, so make sure it was flat. Gonna zip zap it a few times with the welder and grind things flat. Another issue they ran across while doing this truck bed floor was the factory spot welds that were kind of holding everything together. They put a big dimple in, and where they were putting it, it wouldn't have made sense if those dimples were there, so they opted to fill them.
What are you doing?
Is it in my beer?
Probably.
Coffee break. Those kind of aren't necessary, but we don't want them to poke through.
And also, you know, you get underneath it, you'll be able to see where we drilled it out. Might as well fill it. What you doing?
Just measuring.
Why?
For the bed mounts, yeah, dummies. 2x2. Kind of made an incision, smashed it down so it'd fit inside. That'll get welded up here and here, across here and across here. And the same with the front mount. Yeah.
What? Focusing on the vice grip.
Right here.
Yeah, there it is.
There. See?
There it is.
Right there.
Got it.
Cut really straight, square.
Shut your mouth.
They're gonna fit in the cool hole here, which is fucking damn near perfect.
Right there.
And
Yeah.
we'll weld it here, and then here, and then wherever we can get it touching the bed.
Right, well.
Yep.
Hmm?
So we're gonna run some tack here, here, down here, and down here for now. Probably end up running a bead across here. And then we'll throw these on, check for square.
Yeah.
One thing at a time though. I'm just gonna hit this corner.
Stiff as a wedding. Hot damn. Oh. Welder up. Welder up.
Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.